In Confluence, moving pages allows you to reorganize content within your space, placing pages in more relevant sections or nesting them under different parent pages. Here's how you can move a page. Open the page to move. Go to the page you want to move by navigating through the sidebar or searching for it directly. Access the page options. At the top right of the page, click on the More Actions icon to open the Options menu. Select the Move option. From the drop-down menu, select Move. This will open a dialog box where you can choose the new location for your page. Choose the new location. In the dialog box, you will see a field for selecting the destination. Use the space hierarchy to find the target location or search for a specific page where you would like to place the page as a sub-page. You can move the page to a different position within the current space or even to another space if needed. Confirm the move. Once you've selected the destination, click Move to apply the changes. Check the new position. Verify that the page has moved to the desired location by checking the sidebar or navigating to its new location.